बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू CSS Nexus। और आज हम जनरल नॉलेज 2016 का पास पेपर डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं PMS का। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है इसमें, एक्वास्टिक इज द साइंस ऑफ साउंड। द आर्ट ऑफ ब्रीडिंग सिल्क वॉर्म एंड प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सिल्क इज कॉल्ड सेरिकल्चर। The science and societal bodies is known as astronomy. Telepathy is communication by means of other than sensory perceptions. Pedagogy is the study of teaching. Study of maps and features of the universe is called cartography. Scientific study and measurement of behavior is called psychology. Etymology refers to the study of words. Pediatrics is relevant to children. Shape of the Milky Way galaxy is spiral. Coldest planet of the solar system is Neptune. Which of the following planet has the maximum number of satellites? Jupiter. Which planet takes the longest time to go once around the sun? The right option is Neptune. The first artificial satellite was launched by Russia. The first Canadian woman in space was Roberta Bonder. The first astronaut to set foot on moon was Neil Armstrong. The theory stating that new matter is always created to fill the space left by the universe is called steady state. The velocity of sound is air at sea level is 331 meter per second. Acceleration caused by the gravity is 32 feet per second square. A rocket needs the speed of 7 miles per second square to escape from Earth's gravity. Sunlight is composed of 7 colors. The rarest gas in air is neon. Minor objects in irregular shapes orbiting the sun are called asteroids. The lowest zone of atmosphere, containing about 75% of total mass of atmosphere and 90% of its water vapor, is called troposphere. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। कॉन्स्टेलेशन इज पैटर्न और ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार इन द स्काई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं, एंड दैट इज द सन टेक्स ईयर्स टू ट्रेवल around the galaxy, 225 million years. Days and nights are equal throughout the year at equator. Celestial body that affect tides of ocean is moon. Huge cloud of gas and dust in universe is called nebula. Outer surface of the sun is called corona. Sun's diameter is 1.4 million kilometer. The largest planet is Jupiter. The continuous movement of continents is called continental drift. The layer of atmosphere in which we live is called troposphere. The study of fingerprints is called dactylography. Which rocks make the Earth's surface or crust? All of these sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic, ये तीनों ही यूज होते हैं. Area in a desert where there is sufficient water for plant is called oasis. Plate tectonic theory explains the movement of continents. Silicon is also called Earth marker. Days and nights are equal at the year at Nairobi. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा काइंडली हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और हमारी वीडियोस को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन मैग्मा रीचेज द सरफेस इट इज़ कॉल्ड लावा. विच स्टार इज नोन एज कॉन्स्टेंट स्टार? नॉर्थ स्टार. विच एरिया इज नोन एज वर्ल्ड्स अर्थक्वेक बेल्ट? पैसिफिक रिंग ऑफ फायर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द physics law of movement? The sum of clockwise movement is equal to sum of anti-clockwise movement. Option B is right option. Next question is, Which chemical element has properties of metal and non-metal? तो मेटालॉइड की होती हैं ये. Which tube extends from mouth to nose? तो एलिमेंट्री कैनाल मुंह से एनस तक जाती है. Where is the bile stored and intermediately released into the small intestine to aid digestion? Gallbladder. Blood circulates in which part of the body? Veins, arteries, capillaries. All of these. Next question is, which blood group is universal donor? O negative is universal donor और याद रखिएगा AB is universal recipient. Which part of the brain contains centers for the control of respiration, heartbeat and blood pressure? Medulla oblongata. The structure in a cell which contains the genes is called chromosomes. Who coined the term gene? William Jones. Vitamin A is essential for preventing night blindness. Which vitamin prevents hemorrhaging? Vitamin K. How many blood does a normal adult person have in the body? About 4 to 5 liters. Hydrochloric acid is necessary for easy digestion of proteins. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight of the human body? Vitamin D. When was HIV identified? HIV ह्यूमन इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी वायरस इसे कहते हैं. ये 1983 में आइडेंटिफाई हुआ था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं एंड दैट इज़ विच डिजीज़ कॉजेज डिफ़िकल्टी इन ब्रीथिंग. तो अस्थमा की वजह से जो है डिफ़िकल्टी होती है ब्रीथिंग में. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर्म ऑफ कलर ब्लाइंडनेस यूजुअली फाउंड इन मेल. तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है डिफ़िकल्टी इन डिस्टिंग्विशिंग रेड फ्रॉम ग्रीन. Disease which travel itself from one place to another place to place is called airborne. What is H5N1? ये एक वायरस है. Next question is, objects having the same size, shape and measurement are congruent. A line passing through a circle away from its center is called chord. The sum of the angle in a triangle is 180. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए, या आपने छोटी क्लासेस में भी पढ़ा होगा कि जो ट्राइंगल का सम होता है वो 180 के इक्वल होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सी स्क्वायर. टू पॉलीगॉन्स आर सिमिलर इन. ऑप्शन ए ऑल कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल. ऑप्शन बी आर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल. तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन ऑप्शन सी बोथ. आर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर proportional or corresponding angle are equal. The area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into length. Next question is, the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Mid-term breaking is applied in quadratic equation. What is the next term for the sequence 4, 8, 6, 1, 6, 2, 5, 4, 18, 6. इसमें आएगी नेक्स्ट टाइम आएगी 2. अभी ये क्वेश्चन नंबर व्हाट इज 0.004 मल्टीप्लाई 0.5. तो ये प्रोडक्ट लेना, सिंपल प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, हमारे पास 0.002 जवाब आ जाएगा. इन द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन व्हाट डज द लेटर सी रिप्रेजेंट. तो सी जो है ना वाई इंटरसेप्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. व्हेन 73 is added to 89 and the amount is double, it gives the same result as the square of 18. What is the answer? 162. Next question is, what device accept data from outside the computer and transfer it into the CPU input? Which shortcut key is used to insert a new slide in PowerPoint presentation? Control plus M. Spam or fraudulent email are also called junk mail. Who was the inventor of mouse? ये रिपीट हुआ है, पहले भी मैंने आपको 2017 के में बताया है, तो काइंडली जो है ना ये आप देख लें. तो इसका ऑप्शन है ए डॉगलस Engelbert. Which is the largest hardware company of computer? HP. Which of the following is a conventional designation of pre-release software? Beta. Temporary storage place for information in a computer is buffer. Question number 83. The Prevention of Electronic Crime Act was passed in Pakistan in the year 2016. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं. And next question is, when was the last census held in Pakistan? तो लास्ट सेंसस कब हुई है? 2013 में हुई, आई गेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मालाकंड पास कनेक्ट पेशावर विथ चित्राल. Malakand Pass connect Peshawar with Chitral. Headquarter of Arab League is located at Cairo. Judicial body of UN is called International Court of Justice. Option A is correct. COP22, the 22nd Conference of the Parties of the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, was held in 2016 in Marrakesh. Which country has the largest sources of crude oil? Saudi Arabia. The highest battlefield in the world is Siachen Glacier. Summer Olympics for the year 2020 will be held in Tokyo. A country's total financial obligations to the rest of the world is known as extreme debt. Brexit referendum was held on June 23, 2016. Which political party does US presidential elect belong to? Republicans. The term track to diplomacy is used for managing relations between two countries using unofficial channel. Next question. The largest producer of solar energy in the world is USA. 1 barrel of petroleum is equal to 42 US gallons. First woman to win Nobel Prize was Marie Curie in 1903 in physics. Hydrometer is used to measure specific gravity of a liquid. Thank you for watching this video. मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.